I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Clash Mini. First, let's understand what this exciting game offers. Clash Mini is a unique strategy board game from Supercell, bringing your favorite Clash characters to life in miniature form. It blends classic board game mechanics with strategic unit placement, challenging you to outsmart opponents. Each match is designed to be quick and engaging, usually concluding in less than 5 minutes, perfect for on-the-go fun. Currently, Clash Mini is in a soft launch phase, meaning it's only officially available in a few specific countries. These include regions like Finland, Canada, and Sweden. If you reside outside these areas, you will need to use a workaround to download and play the game. This approach allows players worldwide to experience the game before its broader release, giving you a head start. To install Clash Mini, Android users can often find the game's APK file on reputable third-party app stores. Alternatively, a VPN can trick your device into thinking you are in an eligible country, allowing download from the official store. For iOS users, the process involves creating a new Apple ID and setting its region to one of the soft launch countries, then accessing the App Store. When playing Clash Mini through regional workarounds, always use a trustworthy VPN for a consistent and secure connection. It is also crucial to ensure your mobile device meets the game's minimum operating system requirements for the best experience. Keep an eye on official Supercell channels for news regarding the game's global launch and future updates, as these will simplify access for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.